Welcome to our channel, Box Office Release. Let's start the video now. Bong Joon-ho's characteristic film Snowpiercer ends quite definitively, with the educated going off the tracks and simple survivors final. While they have been advised their whole lives their surroundings outdoors are not hospitable for life. They see a beer, sincerely indicating that humanity can survive. Of course, if you have a TV display you want to maintain matters thrilling beyond 120 minutes, enter the Snowpiercer TV collection that premiered on TNT in May of 2020. The display misplaced administrators and snow runners alongside the way. However, after years of questioning whether or not we would get the threat to virtually see this thing, it sooner or later got here out. It became a large hit with critics and audience alike, so it makes feel that the community desires to maintain this education shifting. A teaser trailer has formally been launched for season 2 and it seems like the revolution is simply getting started. What we are able to count on because the display starts to deviate drastically from the film in the imminent season, here's what we understand so far. What is the most suitable date for Snowpiercer Season 2? Despite years of setbacks, Snowpiercer sooner or later debuted in May of 2020. Luckily, it would not appear as even though fanatics will wait excessively till they can see how the cliffhangers from Season 1 pay off. Season 2 is popping out earlier than maximum human beings might have guessed. The teaser trailer found out the Season 2 will debut on TNT on January 25, 2021. That's much less than a year after Season 1 arrived. That's quite a dazzling surrounding time. However, it is clear that TNT had lots of religion within inside the collection and that perception paid off large time. According to a press launch positioned out way of means of community, Snowpiercer released because of the primary new cable leisure application in May 2020, with tens of thousands and thousands of human beings looking at it throughout TNT, TBS, and numerous virtual platforms. It became the largest, most suitable way of TNT collection since The Alienist, starring Daniel Brühl and Dakota Fanning in 2018. Apparently, in a politically and economically tumultuous climate, human beings need to look at a display of approximately violent societal upheavals. Who knew? The 2013 movie Snowpiercer had an all-super mega celebrity cast with Chris Evans, Tilda Swinton, Octavia Spencer, and John Hurt in lead roles. The TV collection had a large cast to film. However, it is surely no longer missing in phrases of talent. The display cast is led by the means of David Diggs, who lit up Broadway as Marcus de Lafayette, and Thomas Jefferson with inside the Tony Award prevailing phenomenon Hamilton. Because of the rebellious Andrew Layton, Diggs had additionally made the bounce to the large display with roles in Wonder, Blind Spotting, and the imminent Pixar movie heading immediately to Disney Plus Soul. He is joined by the means of Oscar-prevailing actress Jennifer Connelly, who performs the head of hospitality, Melanie Cavill. Connelly gained an Oscar for her position as Alicia Nash with inside the Ron Howard-directed movie A Beautiful Mind, together along with a resume additionally including Dark City, Requiem for a Dream, and Alita the Battle Angel. Other actors anticipated going back encompasses Lena Hall as Miss Audrey, Mickey Summer as Ben Francis Till, Ada Goldberg as Bennett Knox, Alison Wright as Ruth Waddle, and Katie McGuinness as Josie Wellstead. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest update about all series and upcoming movies. TNT Snowpiercer takes an area in 2021. It's been 7 years because the planet has become uninhabitable, forcing humanity onto a perpetually shifting education. However, the education is separated via means of magnificence with the negative within inside the lower back and the rich in the direction of the front. Those within inside the lower back of the education start to revolution advantage more get entry to assets and disenchanted the imposed hierarchy. Season 1 ends with the final within inside the revolution trying to discern out the following steps to education hierarchy. Before the target market has a threat to expect it will quit much like the film and second education comes into the image. It forms out that Mr. Wilford, the mysterious billionaire whose corporation constructed the trains, is on board and desires to advantage lower back manage of Snowpiercer Season 2. Well, recognition in the newfound strength war as passengers want to determine whether or not to enroll in Wilford or to assist the rebellion led via means of David Diggs and Andrew Layton. It appears possible that Season 2 will maintain the primary season's recognition on issues of social injustice and sophistication warfare. Now that Mr. Wilford is lower backward inside the image with the new generation and assets to get Snowpiercer passenger on his side, Layton and his allies will must appear even more difficult to keep what sensitive strength they attained with inside the first season. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and for more box office movies, web series, reviews, news and update, please visit our website www.boxofficerelease.com, and if you like our video, hit the like button and share with your friends to stay updated. Please subscribe to our channel Box Office Release.